everyone, in today's tutorial we are crocheting the stunning bags. A very simple pattern but looks too elegant. This pink one is a shoulder bag size, whereas this pastel green one is a handbag size. Pattern remains the same for both. For this tutorial, I am using cotton yarn. This is 8 ply cotton yarn. One ball is 100 gram. With that, I am taking 3.5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and don't forget to keep a scissor handy. We will start with a slip knot and make 46 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 46 chains, skip first 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And into the 6th stitch here, we will make a double crochet. And then chain 1 and skip 1 stitch here. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Again chain 1, skip 1 stitch at the bottom. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Again chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next chain here, make a double crochet. Repeat the same 20 times and reach here, and then I'll show you what to do for row 2. You can see I'm almost at the end of row 1. I just need to make the last double crochet. So after this one, make 1 chain, yarn over, skip this and into the last chain here, we will make a double crochet. So this completes row 1. For row 2, make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And turn your work like this. So now we will work this way. After making 4 chains, yarn over. On top of this double crochet, you can see a chain here. There, make a double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over. On top of the next double crochet, you can see a chain gap. There, make your double crochet. Chain 1. On top of the next double crochet, make a double crochet. Chain 1. On top of the next double crochet, make a double crochet. So repeat the same till the end of row 2, and I'll meet you at the end of row 2. I'm at the end of row 2. I just need to make my last double crochet. So after making this double crochet, chain 1. So these are the 5 chains we skipped at the beginning of row 2. Skip first chain and into the next chain here, make a double crochet. So there, make your last double crochet. And this completes row 2. From row 3 to row 7, we will repeat the same steps. We will make 4 chains and then we will make double crochet on top of every double crochet, leaving 1 chain space between every double crochet. So repeat the same and complete row 7, and then I'll meet you at the end of row 7. I repeated the same from row 3 to row 7, and this completes the base of the bag. Now make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work. And again make double crochets on top of every double crochet and keep 1 chain distance between double crochets. So repeat the same till here. When you come to this corner, I will tell you what to do. So you can see this is the first row of the body of the bag. And now in this corner, after making this double crochet, you chain 1 and yarn over. In this gap, insert your hook and make a double crochet. And then chain 1. As usual, make a double crochet on top of this. Again chain 1 on top of this. Make a double crochet. Again chain 1. If you insert your hook here, you can see a gap, chain gap there. Make your double crochets. So now you can see we came to this corner now. Again, after making a double crochet here, chain 1, yarn over, insert your hook in this gap, yarn over and make a double crochet, chain 1, and again this side repeat the same. So we are just making one extra double crochet on every corner. After that, repeat the same. On top of this double crochet, a chain gap is there. There make your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So repeat the same and reach this corner, and then I'll meet you here. Even at this corner, we will make one. After making double crochet, chain 1, make one more double crochet in this gap and then chain 1, yarn over, so after making a double crochet, chain 1 and repeat. Make double crochets here and then I'll show you what to do here. So after making the last double crochet, chain 1. Now this is the 4 chains we made at the beginning of this row. In that, this is the first chain, second chain, third chain. We will insert our hook into the third chain here and make a slip stitch. After that, make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and repeat the same. So this completes the first row of the body. For the next 11 rows, we will repeat the same. Make 4 chains and make one double crochet on top of every double crochet, leaving one chain gap between every double crochet. Even at the corner, we already made one extra double crochets in every corner, so no need to change anything. Just make double crochets on top of every double crochet, and when you come to the end, make a slip stitch to the third chain we made at the beginning, and then again make 4 chains, repeat. For the next 11 rows, repeat the same and then I'll show you what to do. I'm at the end of row 12. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows in total. And now make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After making 3 chains, yarn over. Into this gap, insert your hook, yarn over, make a double crochet. After that, yarn over. On top of this double crochet, make a double crochet. Again, yarn over in this gap, make a double crochet. Again, yarn over on top of this double crochet, make a double crochet. So we will make double crochet continuously. Repeat the same around and I'll meet you at the end of row 13. I'm at the end of row 13. I made double crochets, and now this is the 3 chain we made at the beginning of this row. Insert your hook into the third chain, yarn over, and make a slip stitch. This completes the bag. After that, chain 1, cut the yarn, slowly remove the yarn. We will weave this tail. And now we will make the handle and the drawstring. To make the drawstring, we will start with a slip knot, leave a little lengthier tail here, and then make chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 100 chains. Now cut your yarn, slowly remove the yarn. Now we will insert it here. Take a big eye needle, insert one tail, find the exact middle. So you can see this is the middle one. So from here we will insert. To make the handle, I am taking 2 strands of the same thread. You can make using one strand, but for sturdiness I am using 2 strands. With that I am using 4.5 millimeter crochet hook. We will start with the slip knot. Leave a lengthy tail. We will use it for sewing. Make 2 chains, 1 and 2. After making 2 chains, insert your hook into the first chain here, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, pull through both. Now turn your work. You can see this loop. There, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through both, and then insert in this loop and in this loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops, pull through both, insert in both, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, pull through both. Repeat the same step and make as lengthy as you want. I have the cord length I want. I'm making handbag size. For shoulder bag and handbag size, use 2 strands of thread. If you want to use it as a sling bag, then use 1 strand. And now we will insert here as usual, yarn over and make a slip stitch. And then chain 1, leave a lengthy tail and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn, and now we will sew this on the bag. So take a big eye needle, insert both the strands, and now stretch the bag so that you can see the exact opposite ends. You can see I inserted in this one chain gap and then fold it this way. make 1 or 2 knots and then weave the tail. Make sure the handle is all nice and straight. Follow the same on this side as well. You can style your bag however you want. You can add a flower applique like this. Make 2 flower appliques, sew them together and then insert the drawstring in the middle. I'm adding the tiny amigurumi heart here. So for that, take your big eye needle, insert your yarn, just hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.